Good morning, students, class 7th. This is your chapter number 3, those 6 days. Okay, just a warm up activity. You people might have visited to different places, okay, along with your parents or maybe some elders of your family. And if you visit any beautiful place or any memorable place, those memories are just created in your mind, okay, and you keep those memories. And most of the children, most of the people, they are just fond of writing these things into their diaries, okay, and just for their own memories they are fond of doing such things. So similarly, there is a girl, and this account is also of a young student who wrote her diary entries, and she had a road trip with her family and she has shared all her experiences, okay. Now, the account is from Monday till Saturday, that is from 22nd of July till 27th of July. Now, she has started writing her diary entry from Monday 22nd July 2013. Now, she is describing over here, the narrator lives in Delhi. The child, the girl, she lives in Delhi, and over here in the starting she has mentioned that it was Monday 22nd July, and she is describing the scene of monsoons, okay. The monsoons were about to begin, and there she is describing the scene that the sky was clouded and it was a rainfall, okay, and she was enjoying herself as she was excited, okay, and dark clouds were there, so she was describing the scene, the weather in her diary, okay. And she was feeling cheerful, means she felt happy. And whenever there is first rain, whenever there are showers and they fall, the pitter patter raindrops, they fall on the ground, so there is a kind of a good smell, a warm, a sweet smell of the wet earth that made her energized, okay. And she's saying, and finally in Delhi she was able to enjoy the monsoon season, that is the rainy season, okay. And she's saying, wow, what a monsoon. And it almost rained for an hour, and it rained so heavily that even the umbrellas were also of no use. And as usual, we all know that the moment there is rainfall or anything, Delhi is prone to good traffic jams. Okay, there was a traffic jam, and all the buses and cars, they just started to honk rudely, means they just kept on blowing their horns. And children also had trouble in going to school and older people to the office. That means she's describing the scene on the road on the first showers of the monsoon, okay. But then also she's describing that, but anyways, the first monsoon showers, children always find their ways of enjoying themselves, so many of the children decided to play in the rain. Now she writes the account of Tuesday, that is 23rd July 2013. Now she's telling us that on that day, on Tuesday, she went for her music classes, and she sat down with all the other students and they started singing songs, okay. So monsoon itself is a very pleasant weather, and after the rainfall